Hey yo! Ah! What's up, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, you all know the reason you've clicked on this video. We are here in Latvia. So, we are going to react to these person or personal, I'm not sure, but this name is pronounced as Tautumeitas. And I think this song name, Burman Laimi, I think. And you all know this is a national final performance of the Eurovision 2025 competition. So the reason why I'm here in this country, it's because I'm traveling from Jamaica to various parts of the world to disclose what others can do apart from my country. And I do hope you all accept me here as a trespasser who's from a different realm of life. So one question, do anyone who's watching this video knows our Jamaican legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comment. And with that being said, let's go. But, but, bro, I gotta say, beautiful vocalization. Wait, is this more than one people or it is a group? Because I've heard more than two people here singing. And I'm hoping that it's more than two, but I do appreciate the one, but this is not one person. This is over the limit of two, right? And if it's two of them, then this is very good. Very, very amazing, bro. The vocals are crazy, especially for the vocalization of the melodious voices combined. It's something very terrific to listen to. It's music to my ears, bro. Wow! Wow! Pa, pa, pa. So I see six enchanting looking wonderful women, bro. But bro, six of them, right? I saw, right? That is what I see, right? And they are sounding perfectly. With the synchronization of the voice vocalizing together, it form an harmonious tone, my G. Whoa! They are harmonizing very well. Very well. Pa, 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 pa. That came up, right? She's a top tier singer. A top tier singer. Damn. Damn. Whoa. There's so much more individual out there that can sing so good that it blows my mind away, man. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. No way. I thought that was a siren when I heard it. I thought it was a siren. But when I came to my realization of senses, it was a woman with such great siren voice. Is there another word for siren or sirenic? I'm not sure, but forgive me. Let's forget about that. Let's forget about what I said. But bro, her voice sounds like she's a siren. Yo, I never knew that a siren existed in that country. I never knew. I never knew, bro. I never knew that Latvia or Latvian. If you guys have that as your nationality, Latvian or something like that, contains siren over there. Wow, music is really beautiful, man. Like, damn. That was amazing. Lavitans, that was amazing. That was really good. You guys outdone yourselves. I do hope you guys reach up in the finals because you all know the competition is stiff out there. So thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys around. Peace. Stay tuned, man.